Welding base. Design the U-steel size according to the water tank dimension. The opposite to U-steel enclose another tube. Welding the connection area in points. Separately measure two diagonal lengths. Keep error within plus or minus 5 mm. Then the next is welding the inner U-steel structure. Installation method 4. The bottom plate sealing strip. Installation method for cross-pattern double-layer sealing strip. Installation method for side plate vertical edge sealing strip. Installation method for stiffening plate. Installation method for external stiffening plate. Leak sealing installation method.